1 Germany, Fox Mary 18. Okay, Kilo 1 Circle 1. Roger. Delta Tango,
And this is a recording of a pass of Fox satellites. I don't know, remember Fox 1A, Fox 1B. Yesterday, June 6th. So this was received using only the telescopic antenna. So it's this little fold antenna here that you have that's included in the Icom. And of course, moving around the scanner or the receiver to get the stations as much as possible. As the satellite moves, you got to move because the signal is not always the same. It's not like receiving a local broadcast. So what is interesting in this receiver, so it has two receivers, like the R20. This is the Icom IC R30, of course. One of them is not good enough to receive the satellite. If you try with the other receiver, I've not been able to pick up the signal. But with one of the receivers, it is sensitive enough. But I have to use attenuators. I have to really tweak the radio in order to be able to do this, because this radio is overloaded by everything that is in this big city of Montreal in VHF, UHF signals. So it's a complex operation to be able to achieve this at some point, because you got to understand, that's why it's sad to see that this receiver is bad in that sense of overloading too much. Because once you know, I suspect if you're in a place where there's really no strong signals around you, this probably doesn't happen. Your radio, this Icom is maybe actually very good, but once you put it in an environment with tons of signals, it gets real complicated. Which, you know, after playing with it for a few months now, unfortunately, I still can't recommend anybody buy this receiver, unfortunately. But you see, it's capable when you actually tweak it and play around. I got that satellite. You have another recording of a satellite also on here, so it is still capable. But oh man, it's tough to really. It's too much work, honestly, to do so. And forget about putting this on an external antenna. It's not going to work. So that was one of the Fox satellites that I was receiving yesterday. It says here June 6th, 2020. Local time, no, UTC time was 16:59 UTC, so kind of interesting. And I'll try to make more videos today with this, and I'm kind of comparing both Icoms here today at the same time, the R20 and the R30. Hope you enjoy our videos. If you do, please subscribe, give us thumbs up.